Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 multiplayer. First, understand that the base game does not include this feature. However, a fantastic community-made mod allows you to connect with friends and play together. We will cover everything from installing the mod to hosting and joining games, ensuring you can share your virtual world with up to 12 other players. Get ready to build, create, and live out your Sims stories collaboratively. To begin, you will need to download the Sims 4 multiplayer mod. Always obtain it from a trusted source to ensure safety and compatibility. Once downloaded, extract the contents into your game's mods folder, typically found in your documents under Electronic Arts. After placing the files, launch The Sims 4 and navigate to your game options. Here, you must enable both script mods and custom content for the mod to function correctly. Now, let's host a game. Start The Sims 4 and load the specific save file you want to play with your friends. Once in-game, open the mods interface, usually accessible via a new in-game menu option. Select the Host Game feature. The mod will then display your public IP address, which you will need to share with your friends. They will use this address to connect to your session, allowing up to 12 players to join. For your friends to join, they will launch their game, open the mods interface, and select Join Game. They will then enter the IP address you provided. For the best experience, ensure everyone has the exact same game version and any shared downloadable content. Consistent communication is key to a smooth session, whether coordinating builds or managing your Sims' lives. Enjoy playing The Sims 4 with your friends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.